Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Jen. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle. Hope you're going to find this video helpful, and if you do, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, you're going to be using this Havana curl, and I bought color 1/350 and the hair is by Angels, okay? And this hair retails between 450 to 500 Kenya shillings. So guys, as you can see, we have two bundles of this hair, and each bundle has 10 pieces of this hair, okay? So I will take you through the process of how I go to separate this hair. So I will start by separating the ends of this hair so that I can find it easier for me to split this hair into sections, okay? So you want to separate both ends of this hair. This is very important because it's going to give you an easier time when you finally split this hair into sections. So guys, I'll be using my petroleum gel. You can use any petroleum gel of your choice, okay? I will just apply it on the hair, and then I will use my fingers. I'll just run my fingers through this hair just to detangle it. So guys, once I'm done, I'll further divide this hair into 4 sections, and that is what I did for each strand of this hair, okay? And just to let you know guys, the more you separate this hair, the more frizzy it will get. The less you separate it, the less frizzy it will get, okay? Just in case maybe you've never used this hair before, I think you should know that. Okay, so as you watch this video, please consider subscribing, especially if you enjoy watching hair tutorials. Please consider subscribing to this channel. And also, if you have any question regarding this hair, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well if you like it, okay? And yeah, I will truly appreciate all your support here. So guys, I went ahead and did this 3 strands braid with my natural hair. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just applying some coconut oil just to make sure that my hair stays moisturized under this protective style, okay? This will act as our base to our protective hairstyle for today. So I'll be using this weaving cap, and I'll just go ahead and put it on exactly as you can see. And then after which I'll just push it aside just a little bit, because again you don't want the cap to show once you are done with installing this hair, okay? And then I'll go straight ahead and tie this hair right at the back exactly as you can see, okay, just to ensure that it is nice and secured and that it doesn't move. And then I'll just go ahead and take my pair of scissors and just cut the excess net, because we'll not be needing this. So guys, to install this hair, I will pass my crochet needle through the net as well as my natural hair, okay? And then I'll just go straight ahead and take my crochet hair, attach it on the hook, close the hook, then I'm going to pull this hair out. And then I'll just take one strand of this crochet hair, and I'm going to make 2 knots, and then I'll just secure it just like so. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you again. I'll take my crochet needle, pass it through the net as well as my natural hair, take my crochet hair, attach it on the hook, close the hook, then pull it through, and then I'm going to take one strand of this hair and I'm going to secure it twice, okay guys? For your net to stay in place and not to move, okay, you need to make sure that you pass your crochet needle through your natural hair as well, okay? That's the only way your net is going to stay and it will not move or come out, okay? So make sure you pass it through your natural hair as well. So one thing I love about this method is that it is very easy to achieve, okay? Especially if you don't know how to do cornrows on yourself, or if you don't know how to do flat twist, then this method is to go for, I'm telling you. And it really doesn't take you so much time to install this hair, especially if you use this method. So girl, if you don't know how to do cornrows, if you don't know how to do flat twist, then this method is to go for, I'm telling you. So moving on, I'm just doing the same technique, taking my crochet needle, passing it through my net as well as my natural hair, and then I'll take my crochet hair, attach it on the hook, close the hook, then pull it through, and then I'm going to take one strand of this hair and secure it twice, okay? And that is what I'm going to do for the remaining part of my hair. So guys, once I reach the front section of my hair, I'll further split this hair into two sections, okay? Because again, you want the front section to look as natural as possible. So I'll just take smaller pieces of this hair, and I'm going to be doing the same method. Nothing has changed, okay? So the difference when it comes to the front part of our hair is that we are going to use smaller pieces of this crochet hair, because again, you don't want to have big knots at the front part of your hair, okay? Other than that, you are just doing the same method, okay? So I'll take my crochet needle and I'm going to pass it through the net and my natural hair, okay? And then I'll take my crochet hair, attach it on the hook, close the hook, then pull it through, and then I'm going to take one strand of this crochet hair and I'm going to secure it twice, okay? Hope you're following, and if you do, please let me know how you think about this method down in the comment section. And if by any chance you're going to try this hairstyle too, please let me know in the comment section down below. And again, I'm also reminding you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, the best way you can support me is by subscribing. You can comment in the comment section down below, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So guys, because I'm going for a side part, I will just go straight ahead and cut this net, and you have to be very careful because you don't want to cut your natural hair, okay? So I want this part to show, like the side part to show, so I'll just cut the net exactly as you can see. And it will really depend. If you want to do a middle part, then you'll just have to go with that, but with me, I normally prefer side parts, okay? So after I'm done cutting this particular area, and I will just go straight ahead and take my crochet needle, and I'm going to crochet the hair, or rather the crochet hair, through my natural hair, okay? Because now we don't have the net, okay? So I'm just doing the same method. I'll take my crochet needle and then I'm going to pass it through my natural hair, okay? And then after that, I'll take my crochet hair, attach it on the crochet hook, close it, then pull it through, and then I'm going to take one strand of this hair and I'm going to secure it twice, okay guys? And like I said earlier, when you reach the front part of your hair, you want to take smaller pieces of this crochet hair. So guys, because I want this hair to look natural, I'll just go ahead and comb it just to hide the knots, okay? If the knots are like showing, just it will help to hide in the knots, and this hair will look kind of natural, especially at the front, okay? And that is how I got to install this hair. Hope you guys have learned something. And as you all can see, this hair is really looking full, and I only used 1.5 packet of this Havana curl to achieve this hairstyle, okay? So I didn't even finish the 2 packs. I used 1.5 packet of this hair. So guys, once I'm done, I'll just give this hair some little shape by trimming the excess hair that we might be having, and then after which I'll just go ahead and lay my edges, and that will be it for today's video. This is how I got to install this hair. Hope you've learned something, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, to like this video. You can share this video as well. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care.